How to connect your phone contacts to your Zoom. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your phone contacts to Zoom application. So first thing, go to the Zoom application right here. This is the home page as you can see. Now you need to go here down below to the contacts option and click on it like this, then click connect phone contacts. On this option, after you click on it, you will be able to connect your phone contacts easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.